Hello, my name is Rachel Dodonna, and I'm the Quest Program Coordinator here at Smith, and my pronouns are she, her, hers. I want to take a few minutes to talk about a small but meaningful way to create an inclusive space, which is sharing and allowing others to share their pronouns. Now, for those of us whose pronouns match our sex assigned at birth, the importance may not seem initially clear. But providing a space to share pronouns, especially beyond the gender binary, is a simple way to make everyone feel more comfortable in the space. If you're not sure how to include this in your personal and professional life, consider these tips. First, never assume you know a person's pronouns based on their presentation. Second, always make the first move. If you're at a meeting and you're doing introductions, add your pronouns in, and people generally follow suit. Lastly, include your pronouns in both active and passive spaces, like that introduction at a meeting or including your pronouns in an email signature. This is just one small gesture that can make a really big difference.